Adriana's gonna sing. Really? So pretty. Can you sing some more?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. That's so pretty. Do you want to sing another song? Okay, go ahead. So pretty. Can you dance while you sing? Oh, very good. Can you sing while you dance? It's hard to do, I'm sure. Can you show Mommy where the snowman is? Did you put the snowman back under the tree? No, I don't think you did because he's not there. So where'd you put him? Did he disappear? All right. All right, first say bye. Say bye. See ya. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll get you up just a minute.